So I've got a roller here, and I've got a roller on this side. Okay. I want to measure to make sure that the distance between rollers is 90 inches. And then I need to position these dial indicators. I want this one to be at 22.5, 45 here, 67.5 here. Those are the locations of the dial indicators. The load hangers, we're going to put these plates on the hangers. So you see this right here, 20 pounds. So you put 20 pounds on the load hanger, do it like so, see that? And then 40 pounds, we put another plate on top of that. It's pretty self-explanatory. How do these dial indicators, how do I attach these to the support structure? See, there's a magnet here, so I'll do it on this side. Okay, so right now if a strong wind comes along, it'll blow this over. But if I push this button, it activates a magnet. So now it's very hard to tip over. I mean, if I put enough effort into it, I can do it. But there's a magnet on the base that allows it to stick to the support structure. So if I want to release the magnet, I just push the button on the other side, and now it's very easy to knock over. And so I want these to be firmly attached to the support structure. This is the plunger that goes up and down. So as the beam deflects, the plunger will drop, measuring the amount of deflection. And nothing's happening now because it's not turned on. Are the numbers on the front changing?
Yep.
They are. So the number on the front should be changing as the plunger moves. And when we position these dial indicators, we want to position them so that it doesn't run out of stroke. So as the beam deflects, I don't want the plunger to be at its maximum amount of drop. You have to allow a little bit of space for the plunger to plunge as the beam deflects. Okay, so I'm just approximating where it should be. In a few moments I'll have someone in the class position these exactly. There should be a little button here that turns it on, the little green button. You see the numbers there? Okay, then here the green button turns it on. Okay, so I need two people to verify the span, 90 inches, to verify the dial indicator locations, and verify the hanger location. And it usually takes two people. Okay, so I'll give you something. Okay, so verify all the locations. And to watch your step back here.
We measure from the end of the beam or end of the...
where it contacts.
The rollers?
Where it contacts the roller.
The middle of the roller, or?
Yeah, the middle of the roller. So you could do it on either side. So you see where it contacts?
Yeah, no, it does right here. Okay, that's fine. So 30 inches?
30 inches to the first roller. Are you filming this?
Yes.
So,
I should have asked. You don't mind being filmed, do you?
No.
I should have asked.
The strain gauges, I mean, these go at 22.5, right?
Right. This is, well, we're the plunger, so.
Move it to 22.5. So you gotta take the magnet off.
Yikes.
22.5, sorry.
It never happened.
I think it's right there.
I didn't think it was
22.5? Okay. Yeah, that looks right. 22.5? Okay, so the next one, we're going to have to move it 22.5 from this one. Should be, right? Almost where that red dot is. Okay, the next one. Remember, you got to push it down enough so that there's no slack in the
Okay, so they're verifying the load hanger locations and the dial indicator locations.
Oh, is that one down enough? Are these high enough to the point where they have enough slack in them?
I prefer, well, that one that's closest to me looks a little bit too
far down?
Too far. The plunger is too high in the instrument.
It's not going to drop it. That should be good. Yeah.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to measure it myself. I'll take your word for it.
Okay.
22.5. This is 30. This is 45. This is 60. This is 67.5. Please describe for number 1, test 1. Okay, so first I have to tear these dial indicators. I don't want to step on this because it's unsteady. I'm going to tear the dial indicators. so the origin buttons. It'd be nice if the plunger made contact at the center. The plunger makes contact a little too close to this side. Could you fix that for me? Yeah. Do you know what I'm saying, though? You're trying to measure the deflection right here. The plunger should make contact closer to the center of the beam. I assume you didn't move it too much when you did that.
No, I was going with the red line.
Okay, all right. Going with a red line, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now. See, sometimes I have a hard time tearing these.
There's the origin button.
Okay, I'll tell you when to start writing. Dang it. Okay, if I can't get it to 0, then we'll just write whatever number we start with. 0, 0, oh, dang it. Now we got to get some new dial indicators. 0, 3. I want to give up on this one. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Okay, I hope they stay that way. Now don't bump us. Sir, you'll do it? You mind being filmed? Okay, don't step on this. Kind of walk around the front. Still saying zeros?
Yes.
Okay, so this is test number 1, so at the top make sure you mark that this is test 1. Okay, now sir, put one plate on each hanger.
Should we write 0?
All zeros across the top.
Yeah.
All zeros across the top. And be careful not to hit your head or stab yourself. Okay, now the numbers have changed, right? Okay, so for 22.5, put negative 0.0140. Okay. For 45, put negative 0.0195. Okay. And then for 67.5, put negative 0.0140. Okay. It's not that I don't trust you. Okay. Okay, so I need an announcer, like what I just did. You're reading out the numbers. Sir, will you do it? Okay. You don't mind being filmed? Okay, so do what I just did when he puts on the next weight. Okay, so sir, add another 20 pounds. Okay, everyone write this down when he gives you the numbers.
Oh.
Can you repeat?
This is test number 1.
Yeah, you want to move it.
Okay, so the numbers have changed.
First one is negative 0.0285. Second one is negative 0.0395 or 4. It's like flipping between them.
Well, it'll settle down hopefully in a second.
Okay, it's negative 0.0395. And the last one is negative 0.0280. Actually, that one might be 400. It just stopped at 400. Negative 0.04.
Okay. I can't see it, so I'll take your word for it. And Mr. Wright himself can see.
Yeah, just switch it back.
All right. Okay, ready for the next one?
85.
First one is negative 0.0435. Second one is negative 0.0595. Third one is 0.0430. Negative.
0430 was the last one.
430 is the last one. 435 is the first one. 595 is the middle. Okay.
Everyone got the data? Okay, next. So now there will be 80 pounds. Are we on the right row there? Okay, 80 pounds, okay.
First one is negative 0.0575. Second one is negative 0.0785. Last one is negative 0.0570.
Okay, now 100.
First one is negative 0.0720. Second one is negative 0.0995. Last one is negative 0.0715.
Okay, so that's everything up to 100 on the loaded side, right? So now we'll do unloading. So you know how to fill out that worksheet, especially tonight. Okay, so now he's going to take one plate off each hanger, and we'll get 80-pound loadings on the way down. So, sir, if you would, please.
First one is negative 0.0595. Second one is negative 0.0810. Last one is negative 0.0590.
All right, next up, 60 pounds.
First one is negative 0.0450. Second one is negative 0.0610. Last one is negative 0.0445. First one is negative 0.0295. Second one is negative 0.0410. Last one is negative 0.0290. First one is negative 0.0155. Second one is negative 0.0210. Last one is negative 0.0150.
So back down to 0.
They're all negative 0.0005.
Oh, all of them say 0.0005?
Yeah.
Negative 0.00?
Yeah.
And these numbers have all been negative, I hope. And I should have done that at the beginning, but there's a little plus or minus button on there that if it registers down as being positive, if I push that button, it switches that. Okay, you don't mind being... And I'll do the first one, and then I'll have an announcer do the rest of it. Okay, so it's 22 and a half, it's negative 0.0075. 0075. Okay. And then at 45, negative 0.00905. And then at 67 and a half, negative 0.0055. Okay, I need an announcer. Madam, you'll do it? Okay, so she's going to read out the numbers. You don't mind being filmed?
I don't.
Okay.
So this is recording. So the first one, negative 0.0155. 155. Negative 0.0185. Negative 0.0115. Any repeats? This is for 60. Negative 0.0235. Negative 0.0285. Negative 0.0180. Any repeats? This is for 80. Negative 0.0315. Negative 0.0390. Negative 0.0245. 0.0395. Negative 0.0490. Negative 0.0305.
Okay, so that's 100, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're unloading. So take off one plate at a time. So the next stop is 80 pounds.
Negative 0.0315. Negative 0.0400. Negative 0.023, or sorry, negative 0.0250. Negative 0.0240. Negative 0.0300. Negative 0.0190. Any repeats? The first one? Negative 0.0240. So this is 40. Negative 0.0160. Negative 0.0195.
Can you repeat that?
Negative 0.0195. Negative 0.0125. Negative 0.0080. Negative 0.0100. Negative 0.0065. Just zero. 0, 0.
All
zeros.
zeros. All zeros, great.
Any repeats?
Have you been memorizing them? Oh, you're writing them down. Can you ask for repeats? I mean, the data's gone. Unless you've been writing it down. Okay, so we have all of test 2 data. Or 20, I mean. Okay, so I need an announcer. Have you done anything today? Okay. Have you done anything?
No, I haven't.
You haven't? Okay.
No.
So you know how to read?
Yeah.
So read out the numbers.
Okay, I thought he was going to get it. So, 0.0540, What was that first one again?
First one, 345.
Okay, so now we're up to 100. Now we're unloading.
Alright. Negative 0.0280. Negative 0.0440. And negative 0.0340. Negative 0.0210. Negative 0.0325. And negative 0.0255. Negative 0.0140. Negative 0.0215. And negative 0.0170. Negative 0.0070. Negative 0.0105. And negative 0.0085. And then zeros across the last.
All zeros?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We end where we started.